I built SixPax Gym from nothing and now makes millions of dollars. And I'm here to teach you how to build yours. Turning every transformation into a sales tool. That's right. You are not just changing people's lives. You are also creating assets for marketing. When people are changing those before and after pictures, those reviews that people write on Google, on Yelp or Facebook or anywhere they write it, if you don't put shine light on it, if you don't put lights on it and be loud and proud about putting it out there and letting the world know, it will go to waste. I have before and after pictures and I put them everywhere. My website, my social media, at the gym, on the wall, in my office, everywhere. Whenever people write a review about the gym, wherever it is, I share it. I take a picture of it, basically trim it, I make it nice, looking good, and I post it on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere I see it, even on LinkedIn. Believe it or not, I put myself out there, loud and proud. Look what I've done. This is the proven system. I got a result for this person and you can do it too. These before and after pictures, these reviews will inspire others. When people come to SixPax, not everyone relates to Siavash. Oh, he's a big bodybuilder. I can never look like him. But when they see hundreds of pictures of people from different walks of life, say, you know what? I think I can do this. That's what we want. This is a marketing tool, a big one for gym, a small gym for us that we own a small gym. Bread and butter of our business are these reviews and these before and after pictures. So how do you get reviews? How do you get these pictures? Simple. When people walk up to me and share their win, most of the time they're excited. They say, Siavash, I lost 20 pounds since I joined. And of course, then, wow, that's amazing. I'm so proud of you. I can see the changes. Of course, I see you melting right in front of my face. Huge favor. I would love to attract people like you. Do you mind if I make a quick video with you? People say, no, let's do it. I grab the phone, I put them right next to me. I might even tell them, hey, you know what? Sometimes they're shy, they don't know what to say. I tell them just, hey, I lost 20 pounds in the last 3 months and I feel amazing. I just tell them it, just give them some structure because a lot of people don't know how to talk on the camera. You can do that or you can just let them roll if they're good at it. So you just put a light on them, you share it loud and proud with the other members. They feel like a star, the client will feel like a star, they feel accomplished. And what are you doing? Marketing. Sometimes they might tell you, hey, Siavash, I'm sorry, I'm not good with the camera. I don't want to be in front of camera. No worry. Then huge favor, I will send you a link. Can you write a review for me? They'll be more than happy to do it for you. The best time to ask is when somebody's sharing a win. That's the best time to ask them. And if you are taking pictures, if you are doing before and after pictures at your gym, have a same spot. Try to have a white background and tell them just to stand right there. You know, always take the picture on the same spot, same lighting. If they're a man, tell them to take off their shirt, whatever they're comfortable with. A woman, if they're not comfortable to take their clothes off, just have them wear something modest. They can even keep a t-shirt on, SixPax t-shirt on, and roll up the sleeves, or even if you don't want to roll up the sleeve, if they're wearing a small t-shirt and they used to wear XL, that's an amazing transformation. As long as you can see the comparison. I have a lot of before and after picture, which I'll share with you. You can see nobody has to be in a bikini. So if people are not feeling comfortable, just tell them to take the before picture at your house, let your partner, whoever that is, to take a picture of you, or you take a picture of yourself, however you want to do it, as long as they have a before picture. This is part of our process. At the gym, when we are onboarding people, we make sure we take that picture. And as I said, if they're uncomfortable, we let them do it themselves. Then after a few months, when they share the win and you notice the changes, bam, you take another picture at the same spot at the gym. And if there's a logo, SixPax logo around, that will be amazing. A logo of your gym so people can see, hey, this is SixPax Gym, without you even communicating or writing any text, because sometimes in social media platforms, some places you're just able to post a picture. So having the logo in the back, just right now you see my SixPax garage at the back. This is my garage at home that I'm basically I train here. Sometimes today I'll do back. I trained here. So anyway, I just want to tell you to have it in the same spot, same lighting. The white background would be amazing so it doesn't get confusing. When you have background that are like they have patterns, it's very hard to see the bodies aligned and you don't see the comparison, the before and after picture correctly. So these are the tips that I'm giving you, and the main thing for me is to deliver this. Be loud and proud. When someone's sharing a win, boom, put it out there right there and then. Start it with telling people, with shining light and telling people that what they accomplished. The other client will get excited, and as I said, they will feel amazing and you pull them into your culture. That's another one. That's another big one that I forgot now. I'm glad I remembered. Another one is you pull them into the culture. Imagine your picture being on the wall at the gym. Would you go to another gym and train another place? Hell no. If you want to train, you come to this gym. Your picture is on the wall. Your picture is on the wall. You're part of this gym. So these are all little tips that make a place a community as well. Do you have any before and after picture of any clients? Do you have any reviews of other clients? Do you have a before and picture of yourself? Let's get busy. Let's post it today. If someone wrote a review about your services, about who you are, what do you do? Let's post it today. Let's put it out there loud and proud. I'm so proud of you. You got this. We together gonna change many lives. And I'm so happy you're here, you're supporting this channel. And if you want to learn more, my book is free. Small Gym, Big Result. It doesn't cost you nothing. For many years of trial and error, I've written it. All these tips that I'm giving you is in the book as well. So just grab a free copy. The link is at the bottom. I'll see you in the next video.